Howdy folks, welcome to this week's Declutter with Me video. My name's Carla and today I'm going to be decluttering, organizing, and cleaning this small bathroom here. So make sure you pull up a chair, have a seat, pour yourself a cup of coffee, a cup of tea. Hey, maybe you want to have a cocktail. This is a no judgment zone. If you've been here before, you know I don't have this accent. I wish I had an accent this cool. It's the music. It's bringing out my Southern belle. Okay, really, I sound like a Valley girl. That's my real accent. I am LA through and through, and I sound like a Valley girl. Today we're going to be cleaning out my bathroom, taking inventory, seeing what I have, how much of stuff do I have, and what do I need to get rid of. So subscribe if you haven't already. And welcome to the show. Enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bathroom decluttering. I like this lip injection stuff. Makes your lips burn. So I was shopping because I thought I was out of floss. Turns out I was not out of floss. And it got me thinking I really need to do an inventory of what I have in my bathroom because I can see how easy it is to forget about those things that are under the sink, especially those things under the sink. The things in my medicine cabinet I use pretty regularly, and then all of the stuff out on display, not too bad. But again, it's like things accumulate, and I think it's been at least 6 months since I did my bathroom. Very happy with it. It's very organized overall. It might not look too organized right now, but I want to take everything out because I feel like there's more I'm ready to let go of now. We're gonna do an inventory. I'm gonna be OCD and I'm going to make a list. So I have it. I'm going to screenshot it, keep it on my phone. That way, anytime I feel tempted to buy skincare or makeup or body lotion or any of that stuff, I will know without a doubt that I already have, 8 lip glosses. I don't need another pink lip gloss. I'm probably going to do a little bit at a time. Start with the medicine cabinet and this clear acrylic shelf. Gather things. I'm going to use my coffee table as my workspace. Anytime you guys are decluttering, take the things out and move it to like a clear desk that you can work from. Because if you work in the room that you're decluttering, it just starts to get overwhelming. Why am I so excited to do this? This is like exciting to me now. But I'm curious to know what I'm gonna find. I already know I have some rollers under the sink that I didn't get rid of last time because I thought I would use them, and I've never used them. I've never used them once. Okay, let's do some decluttering. Again, I'm using my coffee table as my workspace. If you want to do an inventory of your products, then you need a clean table or a bed or some surface that is clear to work from. I'm starting by taking everything out of my medicine cabinet. I felt like this inventory was super needed because I found myself buying the same item again and again and again. Now, the items in my medicine cabinet are constantly in use, so most of these items are keepers, but it is good for me to get reacquainted with them. For supplies, I got this old shoebox to hold items I'll declutter, and this trash bag for items that are empty, expired, or trash. So if you haven't seen my other bathroom declutter video from last year, definitely go watch that because I originally had like 4 times the amount of product. I bought these acrylic storage containers to maximize my shelf space, and I use one for skincare and one for makeup, and they are awesome. This skinny bamboo shelf from IKEA that fits perfectly into this little nook, and I like to put my prettier items out on display there. So as I continue to take things out, I put them on my coffee table. I'm doing a little bit of sorting of similar items together just to get a general idea of how much I have of something. Okay, let's go over categories. So this is a little homeopathic category. This is all mouth oral care. This is like scar treatment, honestly, because I burned myself really bad. This is deodorant, lotions, bath salts, my brushes. This is a skincare pile, and I will inventory it all and see how much I have of each product. This is the hair care stuff so far. This is for my contact lenses and eye drops. And we've got tweezers and little scissors. And yeah, a few things that we've trashed and a few things for declutter. These hat boxes are really great for storage. I got them from IKEA, and the only issue is that it can easily get junky, kind of becomes like a junk box. So I'm just gonna sort through this, rehouse some of the stuff, and get it organized. But first, a word from today's sponsor, Albert. If you guys haven't heard of Albert yet, it is a new type of financial service that uses powerful technology to help you reach your financial goals. So you know how traditional banks charge you crazy overdraft fees? They want to charge you for having a savings account. Albert has none of that. There are no fees. It is completely free to sign up. So Albert looks at my expenses and my income to see where I can save money. Then they automatically move money into my savings account. It's shocking how much you can save in just a few months. It's like magic. You get this very chic minimalist card in the mail, and when you use this at stores that we all shop at, Target, Starbucks, Whole Foods, you get anywhere from 5 to 20% cash back on your purchases. You swipe your card, you'll see the money immediately in your account. They can also give you your paycheck 2 days early. There's all these perks that you're not gonna find anywhere else really. So you get all of that, plus Albert has a team of financial experts that they call Genius, and you get access to them to ask questions about anything really, anything you want to know around finances. I mean, they're not going to tell you where your soulmate is, but they will look at your specific situation and help you make a plan for whatever it is that you want to achieve financially. And they're there to answer questions if you get stuck. Click the link in the description box or go to albert.com/The Carla Project to download the Albert app today. That's albert.com/The Carla Project. For a limited time, when you open a checking account and connect a qualifying direct deposit, you'll get $150. I want to thank Albert for sponsoring today's video, and thanks to you guys for checking out Albert. When you support them, you support my channel. Everybody wins. Okay, on to the inventory. Going through this box now, like this Strivectin cream. I never use it. Oh, why do I have such a hard time getting rid of this? Because it's expensive. I should really try it. Skincare. That needs to be out. Okay. Hairbrush. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. One thing at a time. Money. Okay, money. I know where this goes. It goes on my desk. I have a money jar where I work. These are micro needles. I'm gonna keep these because I do use them like every quarter. There are 3 different sizes. Use one for your face, one for your body. These are yes. I'm gonna combine these together. This giant foot scraper should be in its pouch. Extra glow screen. This is my little nail kit, so I'm gonna put my nail polish in here. Perfect. This is like my nail polish remover, cuticle cream, and nail clipper. That all is loaded in here. There we go. 2 brushes. Okay, razors. Yep, I rarely use razors, but those are staying. Bobby pins, yes. This is kind of like a bathroom utility bin where I keep all the random stuff. This is a sample of medicine, so this is gonna go with my medicine. This is a scarf thing that I'm using right now, so I'm gonna keep that in here as well. I'll put it on top. I'm gonna put this in my purse. Yeah, what is this? Oh, this is for pain. This is gonna go with medications. Okay, skincare. Okay, so this basket we're gonna put over here. This stuff is all being rehoused. Okay, let me get the stuff from under the sink and see where we stand. Under the sink is the real problem area for me. I use it as storage for duplicates, and because it's out of sight, it's easy for me to forget what I have under there. I kept buying the same bottle of Neosporin like 3 times. I also have these slide out drawers that I definitely recommend for storage under a small bathroom sink. I went ahead and washed these bins out. But yeah, you always want to maximize that vertical space when you don't have much of it. I'm honestly shocked at how dirty my bottles get. Like, what kind of monstrous heathen is touching this bottle of Benadryl? I would be ashamed if someone needed to open this bottle right now. So I'm just using a magic eraser to wipe off whatever's on that bottle. I think something spilled and dried on it, honestly. I've had these plastic bins for a very long time and they work perfectly. I use them to house all of my medications or cold care, first aid creams, homeopathic medicine, all of that kind of stuff. Regret buying these. I've had them for like 2 years and I've never used them. Flexi rods. Never used them, never. Okay. Decluttering. Let's go through these hair tools. I know I have so many hair tools, but I really do use them all. This is my primary flat iron. Yeah. This tiny one for my edges. This one for when I curl. This one for when I do these kind of curls. Boom. Okay. All of these are going to go into my other hair box. Let me get that out of the closet. With my hair dryer. So this box will go on the bottom and then I keep one box on top open without a lid on it for things that I reach for more frequently, I guess. Although I don't reach for that often. Or that. I guess it's more of my Neosporin. Let's see, can we do it like this? And then I've got my homeopathic things, more Neosporin, because I forgot I already had some. One type. Like, why do these bottles get so filthy? Are my hands that dirty? That everything I touch gets that filthy? Oh my god. Like, these bottles are like they've been through a freaking, I don't know what. They're living on a farm outside. This stuff is nice. It's very, very pleasant. Okay, sinus, lots of sinus stuff. Calms Forte. Homeopathic. I like the Sinus Calm. If you have sinus issues, Sinus Calm is really good. It really does help. Try taking like THC stuff to go to sleep or CBD. It just dries out my system too much. It's good to have for friends who come over. I can't do anything fun anymore. Okay, I think, is that everything? Yes. Decluttering is always a great opportunity to do a little bit of cleaning. This acrylic box has not been cleaned out since I got it, and I wanted to take advantage of it being completely empty and just give it a thorough cleaning. Did a little bit of decluttering on my makeup. I don't have that much makeup, but I still managed to find a few things that I really don't use and I don't need. Like primer, I never really use primer. And these lashes that I got for free, they're gone. As much as I like to complain about cleaning, it really is therapeutic. It really does feel good. Get this sense of accomplishment, a little bit of a high throughout those magazines. And yeah, now we're ready to inventory the items. Let's see what we have. Okay, starting with brushes. I started with 7. I did get rid of a few of the brushes that I don't use, so I'm down to 4. Here are my conditioners. I have plenty. I don't need to buy any. I did get rid of the one that came with a box of hair dye and another one that I never liked the smell of. As for shampoos, I ended up with 4 total. That last one I am giving to a friend, but I do use this hydrating, clarifying one. 4 of these hair treatments, 2 I'm getting rid of, 2 I'm keeping. Lotions, I'm keeping all of these, all 5. Sunscreen, 1 for the house, 1 for the car. Mouthwash, 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles of mouthwash and 5 bottles for washing my face. I use all of them. I use a scrub and a body wash in the shower. SPF, I have 5 different SPF, 2 glow screens, it's my favorite one, but I use all of these honestly. A toner for day and a toner for night. 3 different face masks, 5 different serums, several moisturizers for my face, including these samples that I must use or I will hold on to till I'm 105. A few things that I decluttered from my makeup box, a few other things I decluttered. One flower pot that broke, 8 lip glosses that I am keeping. How did I do, you guys? Do I have an obscene amount of skincare products? I really feel like these are all necessary because they all do a different job. Like I do use one toner in the morning and I use one toner at night, and then I use an SPF when I walk first thing in the morning before I wash my face, and then I use another SPF for a glow. And then I have SPF for my body, and then I have an oil that I use for my skin, and then I have moisturizer for when it's drier and moisturizer for when it's not so dry. So it might seem like a lot, but I really do use all of these products. I try to keep only what I need and what I use, but the truth is I don't need to step foot in a Sephora for all of 2022. I don't need to buy anything, and I really need to use these up. Let me know what your product stash looks like. What does your inventory list look like? Let me know in the comments. I am really glad that I did this. I have just a clear idea and no delusions about shopping or buying anything else. Like there's really nothing I need. I didn't show you guys that I also had a few tubes of toothpaste, several toothbrushes. Yeah, that's my under sink area. I know where you live. I know who you are. I know how to find you. You cannot hide. I've got everything written down on a piece of paper and stored on my phone. All my Neosporins, all my moisturizers, everything. You can't hide from me. You can't hide. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I try to respond to as many as possible. So much love to you guys. I hope you had fun with this video. I certainly did, and I will see you next week. Bye.